Hi friends, it's me Trisha and welcome back to my channel. What I'm gonna do right now is I was gonna go ahead and paint up the knobs on the dresser, and so I got my folk art gold, treasure gold in the metallic, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my knobs. And I got my two paint brushes, and I thought I'd take you along, and I thought I'd enjoy your company. That's some left on the stick. I wanted to add some gold, so this will probably take a couple coats. To bring this out, I'm going to be adding a stamp to it too also. It's called Birds and Blossoms and Branches by IOD. But I'm going to add the stamp on top and on the sides. To the top here, I have one color of gold up there, and I kind of like this one better. It's a little bit richer. It's more of a brassier gold. So I'm gonna just add a little bit of gold up here. Make it a little bit brighter. I added gold around right here, so I want to add a second coat. Everything's better with a little bit of gold on it. Try to go in the same direction, but sometimes I don't. But I try. What I'm doing right here is I'm going to go ahead and I got a stencil right here, and I got my paint, Dixie Belle Moonshine Metallic Rosa I guess is how you say it, metallic paint, and I got my stencil brush, and I'm going to be going and I'm going to be doing my working on the dresser, and I'm going to be stenciling up on the top, and I'm going to be adding this stencil here and there to the background. So let me zoom in here and get closer. I think that's going to be good. So I'm going to go ahead and put this stencil here and there on the top. I already have it going around the outer edge. I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom in a little bit, show you. I have it on the outer edge. You can see it. Sorry. Right about there. Just there and there. And I want to put that just here and there around on the top faintly, and for a background. Okay, so I got my stencil right here. I think I'm going to go ahead and go around the front a little bit, doing a little bit of a border. I think I'll go this way. And there I don't want it perfect. And I'm pouncing to stop it from bleeding through. I'm going to be doing some stamping on this dresser too. And I'll be touching up the gold. It just has a little bit of, just a little bit through there. Over top of the lilac, not lilac, but Lucky Lavender by Dixie Belle. The bottom color is Lilac by Rust-Oleum. Hi everyone, it's Trisha and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on here because I've been trying to make a decision on, I have some gold here on the dresser and I really been looking at the dresser and I really want gold here and here and here, and so there's just some few more areas I want some gold, and if I don't do it, it's going to drive me crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and do it, and I thought I'd let you know how the dresser is progressing. So I'm going to go ahead and do the gold where I think gold needs to be done. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And the first coat doesn't really look gold. It kind of looks transparent, but that's okay. So I'm going to have some fun. I'm going to continue with the gold, and I just wanted to pop on and show you what I'm going to be doing. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'll come back and show you how it turns out. Thanks for joining me. I'm just going to be working on the dresser still, and I'm adding more gold. Of course I have to have more gold on it. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my gold paint, it's metallic, and I'm adding it to the dresser because you just need more gold. And so that's what I'll be doing. And I have it laid down on its backs so I can just reach in here and do this, so I don't have to, so it's not standing upright, it's laying down on its back, and I find it a lot easier to do it this way. I have to come in here and do some touch-ups. This is going to take a couple coats. I think instead of me trying to be so careful, I think I'm just going to go ahead and put it in there in the center. Yep, much better. I wish I had the drawers out of the dresser, but I think I'll take them out in a few minutes. because I tend to, when I get tired, I tend to make a little bit more mistakes. The metallic paint is a little kind of funny. If you go over it too much, it starts coming off. So it's better to put a couple thin coats and then let that dry, your first coat, and then come back, and then it has really nice full coverage on the second coat. Zoom in a little bit more. There we go. Just gonna go ahead and fill the whole thing in with that. I wasn't gonna do the gold, this much gold, but I really love gold. And more is good. But right here you can see, if you keep working at the metallic paint, it will start coming off. So